What's up guys, it's so good to have you back here again. You are watching the 6th game development update of the RTS-FPS hybrid game Mechanical Difficulties. Now before we jump into this update, I want to mention that a lot of these changes were the result of your feedback from and outside of the events I've been presenting Mechanical Difficulties at. So let me tell you what I've added since the last update. Starting off today, here's a little reminder of what the user interface looked like during the previous update. Notice all the instructions and weapon information on the left side of the screen. A lot of that has changed, and this is what it looks like now. There's a player's health bar at the bottom left of the screen, the friendly and enemy main base buildings health bars at the top, with the match timer in the middle of them, a minimap at the top right, and last but not least, all the weapon information and all instructions are now packed into the bottom right corner. Along with others, here's an indicator to the brand new commanding system. When previously you had to hold down tab to command your troops, then now pressing tab switches to your command tool. You can use the command tool to activate and give orders to your soldiers. It does act a bit differently than the previous commanding interface, so it might need some time getting used to. When you have the command tool equipped, you can activate your troops by pointing at them and holding down E. If you want to quickly select all troops, just double tap E. You can toggle between the active troops following you and staying still by pressing the right mouse button. To tell them where to move, just point at the ground and press the left mouse button. You can also tell them who to attack by pointing the command tool at the target and pressing the left mouse button. There will be some instructions on the left side of the screen to help you get used to the tool. Now the next noticeable change is that placing down mines and banana peels has changed a little. When you press down the gadget button, an indicator appears where the gadget would be placed, and only when you release the button, the gadget is placed on the ground. So no more throwing these gadgets like you did before. I've also limited the number of banana peels and mines you can have on the ground at once. And the gadgets can now be destroyed by shooting them. Visually, the buildings in the game are still just white, but now I've added small colored parts that indicate which team the building belongs to. And now what I believe to be the biggest game changer of this update, the turret. The main base building has a working turret attached to it that protects it at all times. And you can build even more turrets yourself, so no more running up to the enemy base with a baseball bat and beating it till you win. The turret will protect its surroundings from all enemy players and NPCs. This will change up the gameplay quite a bit, so it will be interesting to see how people will adapt their future strategies. So head on over to this video's description and find the download link to the latest version of Mechanical Difficulties and try the game yourself. As it is a multiplayer game, I'd suggest you to try it out with a friend. To support this video, please give it a thumbs up. I just love seeing these likes and it lets me know that I'm doing this whole thing right. And if you want to see the next update video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave them down below in the comment section. I will be there answering all of them. I'm also on Twitter at PaulSock, and Venomite Studios also has a Facebook page. If you're interested in finding out how my project is doing behind the scenes, then you might want to check out my blog. You can find all the relevant links in the description below. As always, I'll be signing out, but I will leave you with some more gameplay footage from Mechanical Difficulties. Enjoy!